let me go to the concept. Welcome to Kashyap's Academy, ICSC class 9. Okay, so we have learned, discussed about finding the value of polynomial. Means we have seen about this. P of x was given something x2 plus 5x square plus 6x plus 7, like we have find out the values of P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, like that. Okay, so next concept that we are learning about is the remainder theorem. What? Remainder theorem. What it tells? It tells that if a polynomial P of x is divided by x plus a, then remainder obtained is P of minus a. Means if you divide any polynomial x2 plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7 by suppose x plus 2, something will happen. We will see this long division method after we have completed remainder and factor theorem. From the for the next period, we will see about this long division. Now look for only remainder theorem. If you divide this polynomial by x plus 2, there is some remainder obtained at the last page. Okay, so that remainder is nothing but P of minus 2. If you divide this polynomial by x minus 2, remainder obtained will be P of 2. If you divide any polynomial P of x by x plus 5, remainder obtained will be P of minus 5. So this is the concept. Which if you divide any polynomial by x plus a, then remainder obtained is P of minus a. Remainder obtained is P of minus a. Or we can say that, remark, if you divide P of x by x minus a, then remainder is P of plus a. Remainder is P of plus a. Okay, and corollary for this is factor theorem. Factor theorem tells us what? If P of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of P of x. Or if x of minus a is equal to 0, then x plus a is factor of P of x. Yes, got it or not? Means here what they want to say.
Sir,
Yes.
your video isn't clear. The board is blurry.
Hello. Yes.
Your video.
Write down the question. Find the remainder. When P of x is divided by g of x. In this case, find the remainder when P of x is divided by g of x. The first question is, P of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 3x square plus 7x minus 6, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Now we need to find out the remainder when P of x is divided by g of x. When P of x is divided by g of x, we need to find out. We can use it by directly remainder method. Sometimes instead of g of x, they may give 3x plus 5 or 4x minus 7. In that case, what we need to do? Let g of x is equal to 0. Hence, x plus 1 equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 1. What it implies? X is equal to minus 1. Now, P of minus 1 you need to find out. What is the answer that you need to find out? P of minus 1 means when x plus 1 is dividing P of x, or we can say that if P of x is divided by x plus 1, then the remainder is P of minus 1. So P of minus 1, 2 into minus 1 cube, minus 3 into minus 1 square, 7 into minus 1 minus 6. So it will be 2 into minus 1 cube is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus 3, minus 7, minus 6. So it will be minus 18. Hence the remainder when P of x is divided by x plus 1 is minus 18. Understood or not? Yes or no? Hello?
So I didn't understand.
Listen carefully again. The question is when P of x is divided by G of x, find remainder. Is the question. When P of x is divided by G of x, find the remainder. Means in long division, if you divide P of x by using G of x. If you divide P of x by G of x, what is the remainder is the question. How will you find out? You will equate this x plus 1 equal to 0. G of x is equal to 0. So x will be minus 1. And you will find the value of P of minus 1. Just now we did in the last session. Last session what we did? P of x was given. We find out P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 2, P of minus 3, P of 3, P of minus 3, P of 4, P of minus 4. In this way we have find out the values of polynomial when the x values of x are changing. Same way we are going to find P of minus 1. Why P of minus 1? If you equate x plus 1 equal to 0, value of x is minus 1. And this P of minus 1 gives you the remainder. This value.
Why is G of x 0?
Yes?
Why is the G of x 0?
We will take it, we will consider it as a 0 to find which to find for remainder. Clearly we can say there is a remainder theorem. If x plus a, you are dividing P of x by x plus a, P of minus a is remainder. Okay. So to find remainder of P of x, when you are dividing it by G of x, you will equate x plus 1 equal to 0. In place of G of x is equal to x plus 1. If they have given you G of x is equal to suppose x plus 7, then you will equate x plus 7 is equal to 0, means x is equal to minus 7. And then you will find the value of P of minus 7. What does it mean? Understood? Then that will be the remainder. Which remainder? When this G of x, P of x is divided by G of x is equal to x plus 7. If in place of x plus 7, if in place of x plus 7, they have given you 2x plus 5 is equal to G of x. What you will do? You will equate 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 5 by 2. So what is the value of x? Minus 5 by 2. Then you will find P of minus 5 by 2. Here in place of x you will put minus 5 by 2. This is the concept. Understood? Yes sir. Now in second example, if they have given you P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 11. It is the P of x given. X cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 11. And G of x as suppose x plus 2. G of x given to you is x plus 2. We have to find the remainder when P of x is divided by G of x. When P of x is divided by G of x, suppose. So let what we will do, G of x is equal to 0. Hence x plus 2 equal to 0 will imply x is equal to minus 2. What is the value of x? Minus 2. Now P of minus 2 we will find, and this will be the answer. P of minus 2 will be the remainder. Then P of x is equal to divided by G of x is equal to x plus 2. Then P of minus 2 will be the remainder. So minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square minus 4 into minus 2 plus 11. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Minus into minus plus 8 plus 11. Minus 8 plus 8 cancel. 11 plus 12, 33. So this will be the answer. Yes, got it? What is the concept? Now, Ishika? Hello? Now I understand what is the concept?
Sir, question was minus 9x.
Now suppose question given to you is like this. Find remainder when p of x is divided by g of x. P of x will take same x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 11. And g of x will be suppose 2x minus 1. Let us consider g of x as 2x minus 1. Now again the same concept. Let g of x is equal to 0. Hence 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies 2x is equal to 1. Minus 1 goes to right hand side. 2x is equal to 1, and which again implies x is equal to 1 by 2. 2x equal to 1 means x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of x when g of x is equal to 0. Now we need to find out p of 1 by 2. P of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bracket cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square in place of x. Now we will put 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bracket cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 square minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 11. This is the main concept that you need to understand. Rest is what? Addition, subtraction of factors, integers, nothing like that. Rest you did up to the class 8. But in this concept, in this exercise, what you learn? You learn p of x given, g of x given. You will equate g of x equal to 0. Then you will find the value of x. And then you will put that value of x in place of p of x. In place of x in p of x, polynomial p of x. Now 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square is 3 by 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 11. What I will do? 1 plus 3, 1 plus 6 by 8. LCM is 8. Both of these LCM is 8. So 1 plus 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 6 divided by 8. Minus 2 plus 11 is 9 by 1. So it is 7 by 8 plus 9 by 1. 8, 7, 72. So it will be 79 by 8. Yes, understood or not? Now the same concept, but we call it as a factor theorem. The question is like this. Check 3x minus 1 is factor of, check 3x minus 1 is factor of 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1 or not. We need to check whether this is the factor of the given polynomial or not. Now the factor theorem. Factor theorem is actually a remainder theorem, but what it tells, if x plus a is a factor of p of x, then p of minus a is equal to 0. Then remainder should be 0. If someone is factor of the another term, means if I say why we call 15 has the factors 1, 3, 5 and 15. Why we call 1, 3, 5 and 15 as a factors of 15. Not 2 is a factor of 15. Neither 7 is a factor of 15. We say always 9 is not a factor of 15. Why? Why we say such things? Yes, it's a simple question. Why we say that 2 is not factor of 15? Why?
Because when we divide 15 by 2, the remainder is not 0.
We did not get remainder as a 0. We did not get remainder as a 0. So it is not a factor. The same concept we are applying here. What we will do? Let 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies 3x is equal to 1, and which again gives us x is equal to what? 1 by 3. What is the value of x? 1 by 3. Now p of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1. Now what we will do? We will put x is equal to 1 by 3 in place of x in p of x. In p of x, we will put x is equal to 1 by 3. So p of 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 bracket cube minus 1 by 3 square minus 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1. So what do we have? 3 into 1 by 27 minus 1 by 9 minus 3 3s are cancelled minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is again cancelled out. So 3 into 1 by 27 is 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9, which is equal to 0. Hence, now P of 1 by 3 is equal to 0. P of 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Hence, 3x minus 1 is factor of P of x. Since the remainder is 0, then the given linear polynomial is factor of x. This is the concept. Means here again what you will do, you will find remainder. If the remainder is 0, then it is a factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. Yes, got it or not? Yes or no? Check whether the indicated numbers are zeros. Are zeros of the given polynomial corresponding to them. Of the given polynomial corresponding to them. The first one is P of x is given to you as 3x plus 1 and x is given to you as minus 1 by 3. Now what you need to check, P of x is given, indicated number is minus 1 by 3. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. What you need to check, P of minus 1 by 3 is 0 or not. So P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1, 3, 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Hence, now what we say, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 or root of P of x. Now please understand this concept. When I say x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 oblique root, we can say either it is a 0 or it is a root or it is a solution of P of x. We use three words. Either x is equal to particular value is 0 of P of x, root of P of x or solution of P of x. Any three words that can be used is one thing. And another thing is 3 into x. 3x minus 1 comes to this side. 3x plus 1 is factor of P of x. So let us understand the difference between zeros of P of x and factors of P of x. Means when I say x plus a is factor of P of x, what is the 0 of P of x? X is equal to minus a. 0 of P of x, root of P of x and solution of P of x means the value of x, for which P of x equal to 0. Means the value of P of x, value of x for which P of x is equal to 0. When I used to say 0 of P of x, root of P of x or solution of P of x. But when I say factor of P of x, when I say factor of P of x, it is x plus or x minus a, depending on 0. Whose 0 go, that 0 we will shift to the right hand side and then we say it is a factor. Means here x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Means 3 into x, 3x. Minus 1 goes to that side. 3x plus 1 is factor. But 0 is what? X is equal to minus 1. Yes, understood? Which we are using these terms in the polynomials in next concepts of polynomials. That's why I am asking you. In the fourth question, actually, means suppose in fourth question, if they have given you like this, P of x is equal to, instead of x plus 1 and x minus 2, I will give you x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. X square minus x minus 2 is the P of x. Suppose it is the P of x, x square minus x minus 2, and x are given to you as minus 1 comma 2. X are given to you as minus 1 comma 2. These are the two x's that you need to check whether they are the zeros of P of x or not. Hello, did you understand this? We are not going to check the factors now. We are going to check the zeros of P of x or not. Means if the factor was given, the first factor was given to you as x plus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. Yes or no? Got it or not? Nothing, no another issue. The same concept that you are doing. Now listen carefully. If P of minus 1 is equal to, in place of x, you will put minus 1 square. Minus in bracket minus 1, minus 2. Yes. In place of x, we put minus 1 square, minus in bracket, in place of x, minus 1, minus 2. What is minus 1 square? Plus 1, minus minus, plus 1, minus 2. So it is 2 minus 2, it is 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 is 0 oblique root oblique solution of P of x. We call these three names. I am telling you, keep combining. X is equal to minus 1 is 0 of P of x. Why? P of minus 1 is equal to 0. And x is equal to minus 1 is 0 of P of x. It means minus 1 comes to this side. X plus 1 is factor of P of x. Yes or no? Got it or not? The same question. This question is like what? Check whether x plus 1 is factor of P of x or not. If x plus 1 is factor of P of x, x is equal to minus 1 is 0 of P of x. If x is equal to minus 1 is 0 of P of x plus 1 is factor of P of x. The same concept we will do for 2. The same concept we will do for 2. Now, P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 minus 2. 2 square is 4 minus 4. This is equal to 0. Same way we can say that x is equal to minus 2 is 0 of P of x. X is equal to minus 2 is 0 of P of x. Hence, x is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 2 is 0 of P of x. Hence, x minus 2 is factor of P of x. X equal to 2 is 0 of P of x. Hence, x minus 2 is factor of P of x like this.